What's up, Tech Nation? How you guys doing? I am just pumping out a lot of videos on 4 different channels. It's going crazy. So if you don't know my channels, it's Cooking with Jack. It's Jack on the Go. It's Tech Time, and it's Eye to Eye. So you need to be subscribing to all those, and things are crazy busy at my house. So anyway, I just want to talk to you really quick about, as you guys, if you follow me on social media, you'll know I have the Regal Unlimited pass. And you may have the AMC Unlimited. You may have the Edwards Unlimited. All the movie theaters are allowing unlimited viewing to many theaters. I think the one I have has like 200 theaters. If you want the next level, it's 400 theaters. If you want all of them, it's like $24. Um, you get all the theaters. So if you travel a lot, you probably want this app so you can jump from theater to theater. Tammy and I only go to one theater. We go to the one right by our house. It's a Regal. We did Regal Unlimited. It cost $18. So I wanted to use it a couple weeks, go see a bunch of movies, make sure there's no restrictions so I can tell you, you guys remember when I first told you about MoviePass, right? Well, that was definitely not a good business plan. I don't know how they're pulling it off at Regal, but for $18, we can watch as many movies as we want, whenever we want. It was crazy because on MoviePass, you go to pick a movie and there's no movies to choose. They would block out everything. And you're like, well, I'm paying a monthly fee for MoviePass. I should be able to watch at least one movie. And they would make it to where like days went on for weeks. It went on for weeks. You couldn't watch a movie. I'm like, well, what am I paying for? So anyway, Regal Unlimited truly is that. You can watch as many movies as you want. You can watch movies all day, as long as they don't overlap each other. So you can't be in one movie theater and have tickets for another. It just doesn't work. The other thing is they let you pick up to 3 movies. They'll let you reserve tickets and reserve seating up for up to 3 movies. I thought that was really cool. And there are no blackout dates. If it's a 2D movie, you're all over it. If it's a 3D or an IMAX, you get a big discount. You also get for being a Regal Unlimited member, you get 10% off anything at the concession stand, and you accumulate rewards, and you can get like free popcorns and free candy and all that stuff for the kids. But yeah, Regal Unlimited has been fun. Now, get ready because I'm going to warn you about some of the problems we've had with Regal Unlimited. The first one is we never receive our tickets. So if you look in the app, this is the list of all the movies. And by the way, that movie right there, Don't Let Go, that movie is great. That is a sleeper hit. Don't Let Go. Watch the trailer. Trust me. Don't Let Go was a pretty cool movie. So check it out. Anyway, so it tells you everything that is here now playing. You can see what's coming soon. And you can see It Chapter 2. We're probably going to go see that. Downton Abbey. You get the Friends 25th anniversary. Anyway, then you go over here to where my ticket. Is that an ugly picture? Look at that. I look horrible. But anyway, you get to go through here and you get to see all the movies that you've gone to see before. So anyway, they show you your past tickets, and the new movie is It Chapter 2. I've already reserved my ticket for that movie on September 7th. So the problem is sometimes the tickets don't arrive in your in your My Ticket section. So hold on to your emails that they email you receipts for each and every movie. I had to literally show them my receipt email at the ticket booth and say, hey, you guys didn't send me my ticket. So that was problem number 1. Problem number 2 is, and let me show you really quick. I want to show you I'm going to pretend I'm buying a ticket. Hold on a minute. Let's go to Regal. And we're going to go see Bennett's War. We heard it was good. So we're going to click on it. Let's say we're going Thursday the 5th. So we click on that. It loads in all the times for the movie. Let's say we're doing the 5:20. Then it loads in the screen with all the chairs. Oh, I'm sorry. No, you got to say 1 unlimited. Hold on. Excuse me. Come on. Load it. There you go. So that's the theater. The screen, as you can see, is at the top of the picture, and then it shows you all the seating, and you can click around and pick a seat you want. Now, here's a problem. So we normally sit right there where that orange spot is. All right. Have to buy my ticket. Tammy cannot buy her ticket and choose that seat because it causes this seat to be unsellable. So she can't buy a ticket that creates one seat only. So I have to buy my ticket first there. Then she buys her ticket right next to me. Now, the problem is if somebody's sitting here, okay, somebody's already got their ticket, they're sitting there, and I buy this one, she can't buy one next to me because she's leaving that spot empty. And that's a single seat, and it refuses to let her buy a ticket right next to me. So that's a major, I've already written them about this. So if somebody is one seat away from her, she cannot buy that ticket because she's creating a single seat. I'm totally against it. I've tried to explain to their customer service. They have a really good customer service. They get back to you right away via email, talk on the phone. So that's the second problem. The third problem is, so we called customer service and we had to delete Tammy's application and then reinstall it to get it to work. And all her past tickets were gone. Yep. So if you delete the app, the data goes with it and you don't have your tickets. Luckily, she has the receipt email she's going to be using. So that's problem number 3. Problem number 4 is credit cards. We had a problem with the credit cards, and the credit card number, we had to update the expiration because we got a new card in the mail. So we had to literally, so we went to it wouldn't let you see anything. It won't let you look inside or alter or edit the credit card. So since it's locked, we couldn't add the same credit card with a different expiration date. We couldn't delete the old credit card that was in there because you have to have a credit card in there because you're in the you're in the program. So it's saying, look, we got to have one credit card in here to make this program work. So it wouldn't let me delete the old one. It wouldn't let me enter in the new one, which is a duplicate of the old one with a better expiration date. So I had to put in a second card. I had to go get another credit card, put it in, then delete the old one, then put in the new one, then delete that second credit card I had to put in. That was really funky. You should let us go into the credit card and adjust the 3-digit code and the expiration date because everybody's credit cards get refreshed. So that was problem number 4. So we've had those problems with this application. We've enjoyed ourselves. We've gone 3-4 days in a row to the movies. We have a blast at the movies, so we go a lot. If you go a lot, if all you have to do is go 2 times, and you're already benefiting because the tickets are like $11 now. So if you go twice, that's 22, and then 18. Yeah, so you benefit by going to 2 movies a month. You guys go to 2 movies a month? Anyway, I go to 2 movies a month. I go more. I mean, we're gonna put this program out of business. So anyway, enough of that. So that's Regal Unlimited. I'm not sure how AMC works. I'm sure it works very much like that. I'm sure Edwards works very much like that. All your movie theaters, check them out. But Regal Unlimited has a, oops, just got a little alert with the site. Oh, my doctor's running. Anyway, Regal Unlimited has some incredible stuff, and they have a few kinks they're working out. So I hope Regal Unlimited sees this video and makes the improvements, and I'll tag them on this video so that they know we have to make those improvements for everybody who's going to sign up. But the program's great. We finally got it working just the way we need it to. Sorry, MoviePass, it didn't work for you, but Regal Unlimited is blowing it up. So all the movie theaters are hopping on board. All right, guys. So I will see you on the next episode of Tech Time.